Hello everybody, my name is Maarit Venermo. I'm from Helsinki University Hospital. And I will talk to you about the impact of national screening programs on elective AAA repair rate and ruptured aneurysm incidence. Here are my disclosures. In Nordic countries, we have had screening in Sweden. It started 2006 in some parts of the country and gradually in the whole Sweden. In Finland, we have not had aneurysm screening, and in this presentation, I compare the rates of elective repairs and ruptures between Finland and Sweden. There is 5.5 million inhabitants in Finland and 10.3 in Sweden. Here we can see the number of aneurysm repairs for intact aneurysm and ruptures.